Alright guys, so it's my pleasure to welcome you guys back to our class, Importation from China Without Using Agent on 1688. Now, this is just a kind of an update on how you can ask for a refund on 1688, okay? Now, for you to ask for a refund, there are different information that may warrant you to ask for a refund. So if you fall in any of the category that will warrant you to ask for a refund, this is the right step to follow at this time of making this video as an update. So first thing first, you have to go to your profile. You click here to access your profile as normal thing. Then the next thing you have to do is to make sure that the product is right here. Okay, this is only where you can ask for a refund. That is the product you have paid for, but the supplier have not yet shipped out the parcel. So you have to click on here now. So we click on here, it lands you to the product page. Okay, then take you right here. So the next step you have to take is to tap on here. So I'm asking for a refund for this product, so you have to tap on where I mark. So you tap on that. Sorry, let me take out this iDictionary to this side. So now you have to click here. Once you tap on that, then you have to select this. This simply means refund. You can use your iDictionary to translate it. So sorry for the interruption. So you can translate. This one here means request a refund. So this is what we need right here. So you have to click on here to request for a refund. Then it's going to land you to another page whereby you need to enter your refund request details. Okay, so right here we have to select the product again. What you have to do is to click on here. Then once you click on here, it select the two products automatically. Once it's the product select, you have to click on here to proceed to refund process. Then you take you right here. So the next step you have to take is to click on here now to select the reason why you are asking for this refund. So you select on that. So these are the options. You have a variety of options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So you have to translate and see which one it is related to your option right here. So right here, this one did not ship on time. This one, Dallas does not support online transactions. So the option to my home complaint here is do not ship on time. So I'm going to select this option. Once you select your option, you have to click here to proceed to you have to click here now to proceed to submit your request. I'm going to click on that. Then it takes me back right here. So you still have to add some text into that will back up your refund request. In some cases, you may have something like this. There is no issue about that. They are just trying to ask you some questions before you submit your request. All you have to do, you can either translate, so you can see they are trying to ask you a question. All you have to do is to understand, then help me to rush the delivery. I don't have time for that. Proceed to refund request. So what you will need here is to click on here, proceed to refund request. So now the last stage here is to type in the reason why your product was not why you want to ask for a refund. So for easy one, you can just head over to your Google Translate, Google Translate, and type in English language while the keyboard convert to Chinese character so that they will understand what you are saying. So just say supplier or seller does not ship on time. So it's as simple as that. Once you type it, just make use of your copy button right here. Click on this and copy the text. Then head over back to your 1688 account. So once you get back to your 1688 account, you have to click on here now to paste the text. Click and hold down, paste. Once you paste, then click here to submit your refund request. Okay, I think we were asked to submit picture. the upload credential, the amount be less than anyway. So let's continue. Click. So if some cases you have something like this that you were unable to proceed, all you have to do is to just go back to from the beginning and make a screenshot of the page. Okay, so it happened like this sometimes. So just make a screenshot of the page. And make sure the megabyte is not much. Then you have to start all over again. Click here and here. Then select the product, proceed. Then you have to come here, select your reason, click here. Then you have to proceed. Then click here to upload your picture. So we have to translate what it's trying to say here. Take picture, no. Select from album. Yes, this is what we need to choose. Select from album. Then it open up your phone album. So this is the product right here. Click on accept. Okay, so you can see the picture has been uploaded. Finally, you have to come here now and type in your information. Click and hold down, paste. So finally, you have to click on here to submit your refund request. This time around, it's going to go. Now, they were asking you information. So confirm refund, just click on confirm, sure. Okay, so just click on here. Boom. So immediately you submit, they are going to approve your refund request. So this is your refund request detail right here. Okay, so you can go back to your profile on 1688 now and see your refund process. Right now, you see your refund process is going to move right here. Okay, so by the time I click on here, you will see the product that we just applied for the refund. So it will move right here. Now, once it moves right here, you're going to have these two buttons right here. Now, in some minutes or some hours, sometimes it takes days before they approve the refund. Once the refund is done successfully, this button will not be available again. It will turn to stuff like this, just like what you see right here. Sorry for that. So once your refund process has been successful, so this button will be disappear. Once you did not see this button again, it means that your refund has been successful and you can check your Alipay account that you used to make payment on 1688 app. The refund is going to be there without any stress. So you can see these are my previous refund on this platform. You can see they all have a single button right here. Okay, so this is the step-by-step on how you can ask for your refund on 1688 without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next class. Thank and bye for now.